Hello everybody. Today I will show you how to use your Android smartphone to control your devices, your home devices, using your smartphone instead of using the remote control of each device. Here we can see you are using Arduino Uno and one shield and just a regular LED. And here is the remote control for each device. The first one for the stereo, and the second one for the satellite receiver, and the last one is for the TV. Okay, the laptop here is just for powering the Arduino. Okay, here we can find our Android smartphone. We will launch the application of one shield and just scanning for the shield using the Bluetooth and then choosing the shield. Now we are connected. Okay, we will choose the keypad shield. Okay, if you want now to listen some music on the stereo, just click on the 7 button. Yeah, we are now listening to some music on the stereo. If you want to stop the music, just click on 7 button again. Okay, if you want to open the TV, just click on button number 1. You can find the TV will open up now, right now. Yeah, it's Inception movie, I think. Yeah. Okay, if you want to raise the volume right up, just click on button 3. You are listening to.
I will create something for myself. Then,
or if you want to raise it down, lower it down. Okay, if you want to change the channel, okay, we have to click right on 5 button.
Just isn't for me right now. Maybe after.
That is the only help that I feel comfortable offering.
Okay, and we can return back to the movie. Just click on the 4th button. Thank you very much for listening to me, and remember to open the website, instructable website, to see the full steps for this project. Thank you.